Australia Tour of Pakistan 2026. First T20 match at Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore. Pakistan won by 22 runs. Player of the match Sam Ayub. 22 balls, 40 runs, then 3 overs, no maiden, 29 runs, 2 wickets taken. Second T20 match at Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore. Pakistan won by 90 runs. Player of the match Salman Agha, 76 runs, 40 balls. Third T20 match at Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore. Pakistan won by 111 runs. Player of the match Mohammad Nawaz, 4 overs, no maiden, 18 runs, 5 wickets taken. Pakistan won by 3 match T20 series against Australia 3-0. Congratulations Pakistan cricket team. Player of the series Salman Agha.